Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great and having an amazing day. And I'm sending love out to you all and your family. So guys, today I'm going to do some dip powders, some Azure Beauty dip powders, and I am going to be doing 3 nail dip tutorials. So this first one is inspired by my nail sister, Nailed by Envy. And I'm just going to let you watch because I have sped up the video and I'll come back in. So really, I just chose some beautiful colors and I was doing a little color blocking, and I really like how the powders worked well together. And though that blue was so opaque, it really is beautiful and just easy to blend. So as I said, this design I'm doing is for me inspired by my nail sister, Nailed by Envy. That is her finger that I use. And I am also going to do another design which is going to be like more of a marble. So I'll be pressing that nail into the powder. But I'm going to let you finish watching and then I will come back in. So now this is the design that for me I am going to do, inspired by my nail sister Raven. And we know that Raven has a horror heart and she loves black. So I haven't tried a black dip powder before, and you know, I really wanted to see what this would be like. So what I did was give myself a nice pink base, which it looks probably a bit peachy in this video, but in real life it just looked pink. And you know, that's just a piece of me. You're welcome, sister. No joke. So basically for this design, once I had the base color down, I did use the activator, and then once I was happy it was nice and hard, I buffed the surface a little bit because you know, we're going to do like a marble, and I didn't really want, you know, it to have lumpy surfaces. So that's what I did. And for the marble, I basically just chose those 3 colors you can see there. You know, the black, there's another one that's got like some silver specks in it, and the other one's a bit more silver. And I just wanted to put those 3 colors together, which I just thought definitely will hit Raven's horror heart. So that's what I'm going to do for that one. That's what I did do for that one. So again, I'm just going to let you watch and then I'll come back in when we're about to do the 3rd design. Okay, so Raven is a mermaid, and I have this mermaid glitter. It's called Mermaid Tail, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I did already put down some foil glue gel on the nail, cured it for 60 seconds, and then I just went in with that glitter, just burnished it in, and I just think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, for this nail now, this is a mama inspired nail. I decided to go with 3 colors, and one of them was going to be more for my base, but then obviously I'm trying to do the most. I thought, why not do like an ombre? So we do something different. So then I thought I was going to use this really bright corally color. So I first worked with those 2 powders, didn't really want to introduce that third one yet. So once I was happy with that ombre, again, I used some activator and hardened the nail, buffed it, made sure we were ready, and then I started to go in with the blue. So the reason being will be revealed at the end. I could not resist it. Honestly, it was like, why not put the blue at the end? That did sound like a really, really great idea in my mind. But believe me, I did do it. I tried it. It was a little challenge, but I do like how it turned out. And, you know, as I said, there was a reason why I wanted that blue. So I will reveal that at the end of the video. Please stay tuned. So there I go, trying to do that 3-way ombre, which was insane. Now, off camera, I did encapsulate the first 2 nails with some hard gel in clear. Now, I did that because I used some foil that Envy had sent to me on her nail, and for Raven's nail, I'm going to show you what I did after using that beautiful Mermaid's Tail glitter. Now, this is just me just showing you how versatile dip powders are, and with Azure Beauty's dip powder, how easy it can be to just create some different bespoke designs just using the powders. So that's what I did. And also the extras you can do. You can go ahead and do some nail art. So this is the nail that I did. I did end up using some flakes, some hollow flakes, and then I put the rhinestones on top of it. And I'm loving the 3-tone color. I put some foil on Envy's one, and on Raven's one I did some starburst. Then I thought, hold on, I need some rhinestones on those starbursts. I was looking at it, and believe me when I tell you, I paused that video and I did put some rhinestones on it. The after sales card, absolutely amazing idea, and I cannot tell you, no lie, it might just be one of the few like brands that actually do this. So this tells me that they care about it. So yeah, 10 out of 10 Azure Beauty. We love it. There's the rhinestones. We put that on there. That's Raven's nail, and it's giving to me all Raven vibes. I wish I could draw the whole galaxy on there for her, but we only did some starbursts, and I did do some little white dots. And as I said, on the Envy inspired nail, I used some beautiful foil that sister had sent to me. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely enjoyed using these powders. Not as bad as I normally complain. Oh my gosh, there you go. It changes color. It's a color changing. Yes, it is. That's why I was so eager to put that blue in there. It's a color changing one. Anyway, I love you all. Please catch me in the next one, guys. I'm out.